Nikki's here now. The doggies. Want to go over there in a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, not right now, but in a minute. Who's that?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy.
You ready to go see Nikki and Levi?
Okay.
Ramona, do you know where their camp is? Ramona, hi. Yeah. It's me, I'm your friend. I thought we were besties. So rude. So rude, so rude.
There's a man behind. We like to see it for me to see it. Huggy. Watch your step.
You made it. Give me the ball. Throw it in the air. Go get it. The ball. Are we camping? Levi's truck. Looking nice. A whole 8 miles to the gallon coming here, huh? Give me the tour. What's this? What's this thing? This red thing? Is that the camper? Okay. Who are these guys? Who are you guys? Brothers?
For Levi, I'm like, we should go.
And their education, wasn't their education like top 5?
Oh, I think so. They're doing it.
Where's the closest ice thing, dude?
Right at the entrance, huh?
Oh, so not that far.
Where there was gas? What are you whittling?
I don't know. Sprint test. It's a life up the time Levi's truck got some sweet jumps. Well, I'll be passenger, but I want to be on that ride.
Sweet jumps.
Launch it pretty far. Oh yeah, that's the.
Ramona, a ball launcher. Look at her. She's like, what the? I'm like, We need a live demonstration. I bet you do. Do not shoot your wife.
It would have been an accident.
No, it wasn't. Whoa.
No, Ramona, don't run out.
He loves fetch. I can tell.
Wow. Smart lady.
Ramona, stay here.
Go get it, Nicole. Go get it.
Two. You hit her in the hand. You dickhead.
Ramona. I was aiming for your booty.
Well, you missed. Oh, we'll see him in a minute.
How'd you see? This is the sweetest thing ever, huh?
We got marshmallows.
We need another one.
We need another one.
We literally.
Rev it. Oh.
Okay, I wanna hang off the back like a potato.
Choo choo. This is the train we heard last night in our.
Make sure.
Yeah. What are you making?
I'm just trying to remember when I gave you that card.
It had to have been for the bird.
I think it was for the eagle. Because I didn't have my. Smell right. She made it in one bite. She wants more than.
Oscar.
Hey Ramona, who's your best friend?
Nikki this time? Really? Headed to the lake we go. We're going right through there.
It's a cliff.
It's a cliff. It's a cliff.
Look at Steve. I'm gonna die.
It's not tumble down this hill. Well then, where do we go? That one was too scary. Let's see if this one's too
Oh,
scary.
it's crazy, right?
No. Over there looks like kind of like where we go at the reservoir.
Wait, hold her real quick now.
Right. Stop right away. Better?
Hiking.
I don't know if it's better. Up will be easier. Little baby steppies. Just like this, boo. Just like this. Yay! We made it. Sunflowers. M. Why? Mommy. You wrote an I. Good job. That's good. How savvy are they? Pretty savvy. Are you happy? Whoa! Whoa! Try and float. All right.
everybody has their kids.
No. I can't say.
And these are the pools of our lives.
Nikki's a mud butt again. She's back to being dirt. Get back in the water. That should be entertaining. Ride the dolphin, ride the dolphin. Here, have one. We're swimming with some dogs. He shall not hump his brother in the water. This is how you get a workout with Milo. Don't come at me, bro.
We want you.
It's my babies.
Aww, your baby. You got your baby.
That's the calmest they've been all day. Alright, we're going, go. Winnie, it's... Why are you so mad? Why are you so upset over this? What do you got, Raven? These dogs are crazy. Nicole almost went flying.
You've never dislocated your shoulder before, right? Yeah, well, you gotta go to the hospital.
Winnie, hello. Winnie, that's enough. Good.
His car is in the water.
I guess they're not tired.
Hey!
Clearly need to get more energy out. Take them swimming.
They love to swim. I want to try my car. Oh, shit.
I told him, I said, if you let them in the water in the beginning, you cannot take them out until we leave. I warned him. Oh, I want to treat our dogs to each other.
Okay. Where? Where? I can't even see them. They're somewhere. Milo going swimming? You'll get cold if we go in. You got a truck. She's leaving. Goodbye. Done with the beach. Levi stumbled upon a hidden gem.
I don't know how I feel about it.
But he keeps eating them, so he must feel good about it. Are you tired from swimming in the lake all crazy? You are. You are. Okay, love you. There's a baby in there.
Well, you know, downtown Disneyland was created after
We
Fort
got a
Collins.
hammock.
Really?
Yep.
I did not know that.
Because he had like a...
Into the thick of it.
Into
the thick of it.
The whole story of why
Uh,
Fort Collins...
Oh, it's called a two-person hammock. Ever heard of it? I haven't. This is girls in a hammock. They sit cross-legged. Well, the boys, I don't know what they're doing. They're trying not to fly away. This is funny. How much did you drink? Oh, he's given up. He said no more. Ramona's asleep in there. I caught you. Levi found another something.
Here it is.
We're gonna do something about it. Hey, boo boo. Hey, boo boo. Hey, boo boo. Nice salsa. Perform. Winnie, you do it. Oh, no. King Cicada said stop. No more.
Abram is calling you.
Oh, yes?
Alright, boo. Gloat on video. Go ahead. Tell him how you won.
We're the first national Lake McConaughy champions.
What happens in sports when you cheat? You get disqualified.
So you're telling me every offensive lineman never holds and doesn't get called for it? That doesn't happen?
That's not cheating.
It's interesting.
That's not cheating. That's breaking the rules.
Getting bit is what's happening.
Did you get bit by a bug? No, she just don't like bugs. Anna discovers a hammock. What do you think? Cool. Huh. Can I get in with you? Okay. Dude, I just broke the window, I guess, by getting in the hammock. It's everywhere. Ramona, we're in the hammock together.
That's what happened when he put the gun case in there. He said it just exploded out of nowhere.
Yeah, it was like everywhere. Levi! Wear shoes! Being glass off the ground. And it went really far. It went all the way almost to that camper. Explosion! I explode some things with my big old booty right now. Yeah, yeah. Windows busting out when I walk by. Yeah, yeah. She drew Milo and Winnie.
Aww.
Looks just like him.
I drew you.
I can't even tell the difference.
Thank you for me.
You drew Rocky too. So nice.
Remember when I drew you as a turd going down a toilet?
Yeah. What's he doing?
Turning off the compressor?
Oh.
I think
We're
he
gonna
hooked
dance.
it to his battery, I'm guessing, right?
Are you laying with the puppies?
You're a little proud though.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Hey, Allison.
Is it my
Other night, Ramona, camping. Do you like camping? Do you like camping? Do you give it a thumbs up?
A bike. A bike.
You want a bike? Should we buy you a big wheel?
Yep.
Fine, I'll do it. I don't care.
A bike. One big one. A big one.
A big one?
Yes. A big
I'll
one.
buy you a big wheel. I'll do it when I get back. How about that? Shake my hand.
Come on.
Shake hand.
Come on.
You need a helmet? Shake my hand. We made a deal. Let's go. Another day, another trip with the wagon. But she wants a big wheel, she told me.
Yeah, that's the prize.
Another day, another trip with the wagon. But she wants a big wheel, she told me.
Yeah, that's the prize.
Say
Levi.
say daddy.
Levi.
Pot of boiling.
Levi, Levi, she says.
Levi. Levi.
She wants you to swing him.
Oh, you got that one. Oh, you got that one too. I synced it. Go get it.
Ask. Ramona, ask him about his precious. Goodbye,
And she's eating it.
my precious. We're gonna go find. What are we gonna find, Ramona? Frogs?
Fox?
You wanna go look for frogs?
Yeah, fox.
Yeah, let's go.
That's
Where are we going, Ramona?
Look at Levi. He's probably in hog heaven right now.
That's Levi down there. Driving on the beach.
a bear. A fox.
Who's that, Ramona?
Like,
Cute girl.
like
Levi on the beach. That's him, right? That's him. He's showing off. He looked happy. Night park, night beach. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's so peaceful till a bug buzzed in my ear. A little night crawler.
A night fury.
Wake up in the morning.
Like he did.
Ma! Hi. I was like, what? Why can't I lock your car? Hi, Nikki.
It's not a big deal. I actually took it surprisingly well.
You-
So I think you're supposed to air down to float. Yeah, you gotta air down to float. But then
Nighttime sand angel.
you want to be
Living her best
aired
life.
up, aired up, 'cause you float on the
Ramona, are you happy in the sand?
Wasn't me. Don't forget the other.
Wait, what?
Over though. Hey, be like this, dude.
Go get that truck, Levi.
Yeah. Let's go in it.
Go in what?
The truck.
I'm watching with this car.
Hold on, we're gonna stay right here. We're not going on there.
a fox. A fox. A fox.
No, we're not going on there.
For us, it's because the motorized boats.
Right. This thing rocks. Woo! There's a big beetle. He's upside down again. He's not good at life.
But McConaughy, my antennae. Bro.
If he wants to live, he needs to go.
I can't.
She's scared. Do you hear her?
Look how cool. Here, pick it up. Like this, see? Whoa, cool, huh?
Sorry, I'm setting it back.
Cool.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, grab it. Be careful.
Wow.
Good job.
Mommy.
I don't want.
Here, go all the way around and get it. So walk
Here,
around
here.
and chase them.
Oh. We got him, Ramona.
The other one was like,
A fatty. Look at him. He cute. Do you want to hold him? Yeah. Use both hands.
wait, can I see her?
This. Yay! Good job. Oh, you put him down? That's so nice.
Oh, Jeff, another one.
Oh, there's another one.
Wow.
Wow. Porta potty frog time. Porta potty frogs.
That one was the biggest one, though.
That
he's
is a
looking.
big frog.
Is he going? I'll just stay here and go. Yeah, get him and I'll get him on the other side.
Big frog.
A bunch of toes. Yeah.
We found 3. They're big.
All right, I gotta let him get out a little more.
They're everywhere over here.
Another one.
I knew they'd be in the grass.
Catch it.
Oh, whoa, fatty. You're kind of cute. She put him down
Where did he go? I want to catch it.
that way. She just was like, bye. He's gonna get it. Frog City. Frog City. Oh my god, how many do you have?
Here, give me that one too. Here, set it on my hand right here. You're disgusting.
Stop! Don't smooch it.
Peed all over this one.
No, he's fine. He's fine. He's okay.
Look. Look, I got you.
Look how many are there.
Look at that.
Frog City.
It's a frog sandwich.
He didn't mean to. He's kidding. He's joking.
I'm joking, Ramona.
Yeah.
That's so much fun.
Just joking. The frog was yucky, so he got scared.
That's a big one. Why are you caught? Yeah.
He's wiry. Levi's got 4 frogs. We call him Mr. Pee-Pee. Levi's got so many frogs. He's got a new frog
Did you
collection.
get a wicked picture of Levi and the frog?
Kind of. Here,
I want this.
we're having a frog race.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh, look how jumpy that one wins. He's the winner. Winner number 2. They're so fast. Okay, we're having a race.
Oh, it's peeing on me.
Nicole. Oh!
Nicole! Let's go over here. We gotta have a race right here at the line.
This is so funny. It's funny, Ramona. Yeah, they just keep peeing on him.
Okay, ready? No, wait for the...
We're having a frog. They're racing. You want to see who's gonna win?
I'm gonna take a picture before you let go.
Oh, record this.
Oh, I am.
Turn your light the other way. Oh, you got a nice tree light too.
Yeah, but I can't see it with the light.
Oh, sorry. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, bets. Place your... Oh, cheater!
Winner.
Cheater!
I want that on Levi's left
Nicole, go on
hand.
the other side.
Yeah, I have Jeff's left hand.
My left hand?
No, she wants your left
My
hand.
right
I want
hand.
Jeff's.
All right.
So you got your right hand, Bill.
Go.
Come on, little buddy. Oh, mine's taking. Mine's pulling ahead. No, you're so fast. That one's mine.
He's cheating.
Go. Nikki.
Yeah,
It's
right
okay.
hand one.
They're just jumping. Look. Hello. Oh my
They blend so well.
god. Bye, frog. I know they like are sand colored.
That was cool as hell.
That was
Frog race. Successful frog trip. I had a bug in my ear. I'm fine.
Where's that bug over here?
There's a cicada walking down over here.
1, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. We only have one.
Stepped on it.
I don't think they like them. What if they're yucky?
Ew.
Is it gonna want to? Don't want to.
Don't
Don't
go that way.
want to. Hello.
Okay, we found 4.
I mean, that's better than what we found at the parking one day, so.
La la la.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. You want to hold it? I think.
Why don't you hold him by one leg?
Sorry, I handed it to Ramona in the most terrible way.
Yeah. Concussion protocol.
He's still hoppity hoppity hop.
He peed on my new shirt.
Well, you held him by one leg.
He peed on my new
Should I
shirt.
rinse it with cold water?
He wanted to be caught.
You hear it?
No? Is that you?
I thought that was you. He's vibrating.
What are you saying?
Oh, I hear him.
I hear him.
Feel him. Ramona, you want to hold it? Look.
Oh, you dropped on my foot almost. Get him.
Get him, Ramona. Get him. Hurry. Careful.
Get him.
Be gentle.
Grab him.
Grab him.
Says Levi. Be gentle. He hopped on your foot. This is funny. Look at the bugs. Oh my god. Hello, frog. Ramona, what's his name?
A puppy.
Froggy. I name him Pee Wee Herman. That's such a weird noise. Do it again.
Cute.
Bug City. Bug City.
Should feel it vibrate.
See, I can feel like his rib bones. Stop.
Okay, thanks.
Ribbit.
It's awful.
Why? How?
Smells awful.
And there's
Here, hold
probably. You see how there's that, like in front of your car? Imagine that times 100 when you go that right there.
It's
It's
nasty.
awful. Did you pet him?
Yeah, but pet him.
Pet him.
Give him a pet. Wee. Oh.
Here, hold him.
Hold him.
Hold him. Here, put your foot down. Or put your
You want me to hold your flashlight? I'll
Oh,
hold
dude.
it.
Look what we have here for us.
Ready? No, it's okay. It already peed.
Hold him.
Both hands.
Wow.
Have you basically been surviving on apples and animal crackers this whole time? Animals. You love the animals. Him and me. Creeperlicious.
Hey, guess what I have for you?
A frog?
I spelled Binky.
A binky. Her favoriteest thing. There you go.
Oh yeah, pie. Let's go.
We're gonna, but you're sleepy. But Ramona's snuggling you to sleep.
I like that song.
Oh, yeah.
She likes that.
This is some gay.
Now I'm throwing away 4s.
I have 4s. No, I only have 1.
Huge.
Facts. I'm just stating the facts.
Illusion.
Hello, illusion.
You know what they don't have that we have? We have a 3 pile. What's up, dog? What's up, dog?
Sure,
Did
you just start already?
You just gotta lower this down.
This actually is another bed. It actually is. Unicorn Levi.
Minus 220.
Ramona, you look so cute.
Oh, I see.
Minus how many?
220 on my